everybody, today I'll be adding on to my last lesson on functions, and today we will be talking about a similar topic, composite functions. So let's jump right in. Alright, so let's say you're given the function f of x equals 3x, and you're given the function g of x equals 2x raised to the fourth power, and you're asked to evaluate f of g of 2. And you're confused by this. Well, fear not, because I'm about to explain to you what's going on. So we're inputting 2 into g, which will give us g of 2. And this should look familiar if you watch my Introduction to Functions video. And then we're inputting g of 2 into f, which will give us f of g of 2. So we're nesting functions inside of each other. So what we're going to do is we're going to work from the inside out, starting with what's in the parentheses, g of 2. So g of 2 equals 2 times 2 raised to the fourth power, and 2 raised to the fourth power equals 2 squared times 2 squared, which equals 16. So now we have 2 times 16. And 2 times 16 equals 32. So now we can simplify this. So now we have f of 32. All right. So f of 32 equals 3 times 32. So let's just do that. 32, 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. So we have 96, which means that f of g of 2 equals 96. I'm back, and let's say you were to come in contact with something like this. It also looks like I'm writing font, doesn't it? F of g of 2. Well, what you want to do in a situation like this is, don't get confused, but you'll see this open circle and you'll see these parentheses and stuff. You want to group the g of 2 and write down g of 2. Then you want to see f, and you'll see this little circle sign that resembles of. So you can think f of g of 2. So then you can write in f on the outside, and you'll remember that we put g of 2 in parentheses. So that is just how to take care of all those situations. So let's say we're doing g of h of 4. Then you could also write that and group the h of 4, and then so now we have h of 4, and then we put g on the outside, g of, so now we say g of h of 4. And one more example, what about h of g of 1? We just write that and group the g of 1, so we write g of 1. And then we also have the h of, so we can write h of g of 1. So that is another way that you can write a composite function. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. If you disliked this video, please share it with somebody else because they might find it helpful. But for now, goodbye.